Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking platform, which is Notejoy and Notion. So to get started about these two platforms, and here's a quick breakdown and comparison about these two AI platforms. Notejoy stands out as the more powerful and versatile AI note-taking app. It combines documents, database, tasks, and wikis into a single workspace, now enhanced by Notion AI, which can summarize pages, rewrite text, or rephrase content, extraction action items, and answer questions based on your entire workspace. It supports deep linking, template collaborations, and integrate well with tools like Slack, Zapier, GitHub, and more, making it ideal for individual and teams alike. And talking about Notejoy, on the other hand, focus on a fast, clean, and collaborative note-taking with a simpler layout. Its AI help with writing and summary note, but lack Notion's depth of features, flexibility, and workspace intelligence. Notejoy is easier to use and quick to set up, but its limited AI tools and lack of database or advanced workflow make it better suited for light team collaboration rather than a structured productivity. And here's a better conclusion about this platform. So if you want all-in-one AI enhanced productivity system, Notion is the clear winner. But if you want a great for quick share note, but falls short in power automation and intelligent features, I think Notejoy might be your best opportunity. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two note-taking platform. And that's it.